Welcome to our RTG OSAIC Summit in Bacolod. This is our first time. Why do we call this a summit? This is a meeting of our RTG leaders and coordinators. We share our best practices and experiences, a place where we listen and learn from each other. Thank you for being here. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to our PNU Means Leadership Scholars. I know it's a long ride, 2 hours ride from Cadiz to Bacolod. Thank you, Marjorie and your team. I'm glad you are here. May your presence bring new challenges and ideas to our RTG program. Welcome to our BTS team. Sino kaya sila? Look to your right. Ikaw ba yon? Look to your left. Alam mo ba kung ano ang BTS? Aha! BTS, behind the scenes. Thank you to all our BTS pastors present here today. You encourage our RTG coordinators, our mamsis, to never give up. Kahit pagod na kung minsan, go lang ng go. Kumbaga parang energizer battery that never runs out of energy. Never give up. Thank you to our MC and other program participants. And a special mention to Angie. Angie, ikaw ang magbibigay ng buhay ng program today. Wake us up kung natutulog kami. Thank you to our team who make this RTG OSAIC Summit possible. To Anne, Annalyn, and Daisy. Salamat for your gifting and services. You never give up. Give them a big applause. And of course, welcome to our special guest today. Thank you, Ami, for making this possible of joining us in spite of your busy schedule while in Bacolod. Who is Ami? Sino ba siya? She is our current Means Board Chair and Treasurer. She has served Means for 16 years as a volunteer. 16 years. Before her retirement, she worked as a rate manager of San Francisco Public Utilities Commission. Big time yan ang trabaho niya. Why is she serving at Means as a volunteer for 16 years? Walang sweldo, ha? From Ami's own words, she said, "One thing I really admire about Means, being a professional accountant myself, is the way that Means puts a high value on transparency and financial accountability. Means core value I cherish most is prayer before action. Kaya, we ask our friends to pray for this event today, for a success event, that each one of us will learn something new as soon as we leave this place. It is an honor to have Amy serve in Means. She brought with her expertise as an accountant. She upgrades our accounting system, our audit process, and now, as the board chair, We look forward to new and challenging ideas she brings to Means Ministry. Amy, we are excited to hear from you how we can better serve our ministry partners like our RTG programs. Let us spread your advocacy, high value in transparency, and financial accountability. Prayer before action. Again, prayer before action. Kaya, wag na tayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Anong hinihintay mo? Mag-selfie tayo kasama si Amy. Ask questions, wag mahihiya, and enjoy the fellowship with Amy. Hello! And of course, bonus to all the attendees. Use the t-shirt with pride. I am a Means volunteer, serving with passion. At sana manalo ka rin ng water tumbler today to remind you, never give up. So, welcome sa lahat. Enjoy the RTG Summit. Never give up. Bye-bye and welcome ulit.